Hi everyone, I'm Kevin Irwin, Senior Director of Product Management at Gluware, and today I want to show you how Gluware Co-Pilot solves one of the most frustrating problems in network operations, integrating multiple systems to complete simple tasks. Think about a common scenario. You need to pull circuit information from your network source of truth and create a ticket in ServiceNow. Sounds simple, right? But in reality, integrated service automation is manual, complex, swivel chair, and incredibly time-consuming. You're dealing with different applications across your automation stack. Netbox for your network inventory, ServiceNow for ticketing, maybe your monitoring tools. Completing even basic workflows means manual swivel chair work, copying data between systems, or spending weeks building custom integrations. Gluware's Co-Pilot with MCP architecture changes all of that. Through Model Context Protocol, Co-Pilot can orchestrate multiple systems simultaneously using nothing but natural language. In today's demo, we're going to walk through a real-world workflow. We'll orchestrate multiple MCP servers, specifically Netbox and ServiceNow, retrieve circuit data from Netbox using natural language, format that information into a clean table, create a ServiceNow incident ticket, and post the circuit data directly to that ticket, all in a single conversation. No API calls, no custom code, no manual copy and paste. Let's get started. Today I want to show you how Gluware's Co-Pilot orchestrates workflows across multiple systems. We're going to respond to a network outage by pulling circuit data from Netbox automatically and create a ServiceNow incident ticket, all through a simple conversation. So I drill down into RTR NYC01 in Netbox, and when we drill down we can see all of the circuit details we've documented. Router has a Verizon DIA circuit here in New York, and we've got the circuit ID. So now what we'll do is we'll switch back over to Gluware, and we'll open the Gluware Co-Pilot. Now here's where it gets really interesting. I'm just going to ask it in plain English to get the circuit data for RTR NYC01. So now it's pulling the circuit data and it's formatting it into a table. Copilot recognizes what I need, and I ask it if I want it summarized into a concise table. So what I'll do is I will say yes and return the concise table, then open the ServiceNow incident ticket. Add their description, and then we're going to post this table into the incident ticket. All right. And we can see that there's some tool calls that we've used here to manipulate various data elements from Netbox. And so what's happening under the hood is that we're using those tool calls. Copilot's using MCP to connect to both Netbox and ServiceNow, retrieve circuit data information, format it, create the incident, all in a single workflow. So we'll now flip over to ServiceNow, and there it is. We have our incident created, and the table that we had asked has been posted to it. So this is Gluware orchestrating multiple MCP servers in a single workflow. And that's it. We just completed a multi-system workflow that would normally require you to log into two different systems, search for circuits, copy information, switch to another system, create a ticket, paste the data, so on and so forth. That's easily 10 to 15 minutes of manual work, and that's if you don't make any mistakes along the way. With Copilot, we did it in seconds through a simple conversation. Find out more, come visit us at glueware.com. Thank you.